And welcome to Tuesday's workout. We've got a nice little warm-up here. If you have a jump rope, this is where you get to practice some jump rope skills for yourself at home, okay? If you don't have a jump rope, then you're just going to do about 2 minutes of a cardio movement to get your heart rate up. So 2 minutes of running in place on a treadmill. If you have a bike or a rower at home, use that. High knees, butt kicks, jumping jacks, anything you got there for a cardio movement, okay? But if you have a jump rope, here we're going to do some practice. So single unders, nice and comfortable, 20 fast single unders, trying to pick up that pace. High jump single unders, so you're jumping higher. This is where you'll start to pick your knees up a little bit. Penguin tap, so your penguin tap drill is you're going to put the jump rope down and you're going to virtually jump. So you're going to jump and double tap your thighs, okay, like a penguin would. All right, and then 20-second double unders or double under attempts. So here's some time for you to practice your double unders. Now, into the extended warm-up. Now, if you don't have a jump rope, you don't want to do cardio movements for 2 minutes, you can jump right into here. Every minute on the minute for 6 minutes, okay? Minute 1, 6 and 6 Bulgarian split squats, okay? So you are in a lunge position for 6 reps, down and up, and then you switch legs for 6 reps, down and up. Okay, so you're staying on one side for all the reps and then switching which leg is in front. Okay, minute 2, 4 to 8 reps of a dumbbell hang power clean. Okay, so you get to scale it up or down depending on how heavy your weight is. Athletes can sub a backpack in place of dumbbell for the hang power cleans. That's a-okay too. Or if you have a barbell, what I would probably do is 4 reps if you have a barbell there if you don't have dumbbells. Okay, all right, score is the load, how heavy you go for this workout. Well, really, this is just a warm-up. So don't go too heavy. You don't want to kill yourself for what's coming next, okay? So let's take a look at the workout. And here's the workout today. It's a good one. 15 minutes, 60 double unders, or 1 minute of mountain climbers, okay? Then we're going into 15 backpack sumo deadlift high pulls. Okay, if you have a kettlebell or a dumbbell, you can use these as well. So if you have a kettlebell, you're going to go from the ground up to your chest. On the sumo deadlift high pull, try not to pull too high. Don't go all the way to your chin or let the elbows come up too high. What that does is cause an impingement in the shoulder. So you just want to come up to just below your collarbone, okay? Then 15 backpack hang power cleans. And then 15 sit-ups. And again, these hang power cleans, they can be dumbbells, kettlebells, barbells, anything you have there to do the hang power clean with. Just make sure that your form is pretty good. Now, if you're in Tuesday, and this is one of the Zoom classes, we'll be doing the mountain climbers, we'll be doing deadlift high pulls with whatever implement we got, hang power cleans, dumbbells as well if we have those, and sit-ups will be fine, okay? Score is rounds and reps, so if you're scoring at home, just continue for 15 minutes and see how far you get. All right, there's no finisher today, but I do suggest a nice optional cool down stretch, maybe the yoga flow that we did last week, down dog, up dog, and child's pose. That'll be a great one. Your shoulders are going to take a little bit of a beating from this workout today, so do take care of them. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.